Here are some top niche ideas for Thanksgiving. And I'm trying to look for low competition niches that have a demand. Sometimes they're fairly new, so they may not show a demand with like the BSR. And my goal is for you to jump ahead of the competition and make a sell with this certain type of video, or certain niches or niche ideas inside of this video to help you get a head start and make money. And always just keep in mind, always double check for trademarks or copyrights. And anything that I'm sharing with you in this video, you have to do your homework on your end and double check. I'm doing it over here on my end, but sometimes I make a mistake, right? I'm human. I make a mistake, and maybe it's something that I didn't catch. And okay, so the first niche is going to be Turkeysaurus Rex. All right, so as I come down here, you're going to see the examples. You have a T-Rex dressed up as a turkey. He has a fork, Turkey Rex, Turkeysaurus Rex, Turkeysaurus Rex. You can see another one. And then here is another one that's pretty cool. It seems like it's new listed. Yes, October 24th, 2022. The Turk dressed up, instead of the T-Rex dressed up as the T-Rex dressed up as a turkey, you have the turkey T-Rex, and you see what they did there, right? And this is your job too as well. Okay, I'm giving you the ideas, but your job is to come up with something that's unique and different from all these people that are up here on the front page. Okay, you can see that this one right here, 118k BSR, and it's doing some damage. 198. It's basically a T-Rex dressed up as a pilgrim with turkey, holding a turkey with some pumpkin side turkey, right? And see what they did here. Very similar, more of a happy type of T-Rex compared to some more of a angry type of T-Rex, right? And this one too as well. If you look at this actual design right here, you're gonna see like they're taking this illustration, right, and they're scaling it out to all different niches, the holidays, okay, from Easter to Christmas to like St. Patrick's Day, like every single holiday, and they focus mainly on the illustration itself. So if you're paying attention and doing your research, you're gonna see this illustration floating around a lot. But yeah, no, I think this is a really awesome niche. Come back up here real fast. See that the results 150k, and this is the search term. Okay, search term, that right there, 100 results. Let's get into some keywords that I want to share with you guys that I've seen in this niche, and you can maybe come up with some other ideas that can help you. All right, guys, so here are the keywords. I'm going to put them on a list right here, like on the side of the screen, so you guys can see them. I'm going to be reading them off because obviously I can't remember every single keyword, right? But the first one is going to be Turkeysaurus shirt, T-Rex Thanksgiving, dinosaur shirt, dinosaur lover tee, Thanksgiving shirt, Turkey Day shirt, T-Rex lover shirt, Dino Thanksgiving, Thanksgiving dinner, Dino turkey shirt, pumpkin spice tea, Thanksgiving youth. All right, next niche is I like it moist. Okay, this saying started a few years ago. So if you can think of a way to implement that with any niche that you're in, okay, and think of like the food or certain sayings, it could be a really funny saying, right? You see, I like it moist, 275 BSR, 878 BSR, 248. You can see like to fitness, pumpkin pie, mouth, go down, I like it moist. You're seeing like it seems to be a really popular saying for this niche, and it's selling, okay, over and over. Yeah, okay. This is something that, think of something inside of this niche and make a funny saying with it. And this goes for any niche that you're in, any holiday. Think of something like, I like it here, okay? Something like certain sayings or certain things that are trending and people are saying right now to this very day. You apply it to, a holiday, it can make sales over and over, okay? Let's say, for example, this one has 62 rating, 33. Or let's look at one. Say like this. It's a cool, simple design, right? A little curve, little bridge thing right there, right? Let's look at the BSR, the all-time BSR, and exactly what we look for, right? You can see every single year it's selling closer to Thanksgiving. It seems like after or right now, right? Starting to sell over and over. Uploaded in 2019. Okay, and selling, boom. Too crazy about it. But I'm not sure if you guys are seeing this, but you're starting to see this too. They're adding this into the listing if you didn't know. Men's big and tall, women's plus, adding in different sizes. Keep a lookout for that, okay? They're adding that slowly. Seems like the bigger brands like Disney and all that have that already. So keep an eye on that, red boy. And do me a favor, if you're still watching this video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. So Thanksgiving shirt, Thanksgiving t-shirt, turkey shirt, Thanksgiving turkey, funny turkey shirt, I like it moist, of course, right? So anything that I'm sharing with you guys in here, remember the keyword phrase, that's probably one of the most important things Our next niche is going to be chilling with my turkeys. Okay. As we come down, you can see the results 232, by the way, 232 results, and you can see the search phrase right there. And then as we go down, also you can see the search bar too, right? We go down, we see this one, 114k BSR. This one is doing some damage. Let's open that bad boy up and see what's going on inside. But you can see what they're doing. They got 4 turkeys right there chilling, right? And that's the idea. And you got 3 turkeys right here chilling. You got 4 more like baby turkeys chilling with the little pilgrim hat. You got 4 more turkeys, and go down, gobble till you wobble, dabbing one, and chill with my turkeys. Chilling right there. All right, chilling with my turkeys. All right, let's look at that first one. Okay, it's a decent one, right? Got the white text, and, you know, got the 4 turkeys. Let's look at the all-time sales, see what's going on. So it's been up for September 24th, 2020, since 2020. But the thing is, pushing those consistent numbers that we look for by looking at this BSR chart, okay, which is cranking. It's making those sales, making the money, which is really, really awesome. Okay. This is something that we look for as when we're, you know, as print-on-demand sellers, when we're leveraging these platforms. We want to see you know, how we can make sales or get a consistent seller that makes money for 2 or 3 or 4 years. And we got a shirt design that does that. That's really awesome, and it's what we all aim for, right? But chilling with my turkey, okay. Low competition. If you can think of something, you can create a top seller for this niche. And then, as you can see, every single year it's going to trend down. And look at that, those numbers are cranking, especially this year. It looks like it's on its way to be its best year ever. Okay, chilling with my turkeys. Thanksgiving shirt, Turkey Squad shirt. Thanksgiving t-shirt, Turkey Squad tee, Fall Squad tee, Fall Squad shirt. Chilling with my turkeys. All right, happy fall, brush them all t-shirt. Okay, results 543. Something that I'm noticing too is I'm like finding these niches, they're getting a lot of demand quick and fast if they're making sales, or just certain people see the opportunity. And as when I found this, it was like 430 results, and now it's at 543. And then sometimes, keep in mind, it fluctuates too. The algorithms will sometimes it'll be 230, and then you go do another search, it'll be 800. So, but from my research and stuff, this seems to be very precise with the results over here. Okay, so as we go down, happy fall, brush them all. You're seeing, so this is like dentist, dental, you know what I mean, the crew, you know, the staff. This can work really well for this, you know, for them, as far as like who you're targeting. Okay, so this is gonna be as far as this design, you can see like some of them, you can see this one has 6 ratings so far, but you can see there's people coming in here trying to compete with them, and they're doing their own flip and making their own design with it. You're seeing that leopard print, then you're seeing a few different other prints in here, that plaid print right there. As we come down, happy fall, y'all. Cool. There's that little groovy font down more, but this, like, for any niche right here, with as far as like the dentist, like this can work really well for pretty much any niche, as far as dentist, Christmas, Easter, so on and so forth. Let's go about that one. Found that one. Where's that one with the, there it is right here. Let's take a look and see what's going on inside of this listing. All right, for some reason, I think what happened recently with this, okay, I think this was affected by this, there was a shirt, like a shirt outage, right? They were sold out of a lot of the shirts, because you can see right here, oh, if you look, you see the recent history, right? It should be doing really well all the way, you know, for even after Halloween, right? And all of a sudden you can see that BSR shoot up, which is weird. But something like this, I can see it doing pretty consistent, but as looking at these results, it's not looking that good. But it's a very consistent selling shirt throughout, you know, starting in September, and I think it would have did even better if it didn't, but it's doing the same. I can see this being a good niche though. All right, so the next niche is going to be the sweetest turkey in the flock t-shirt. Okay, results of 466. You're seeing the coolest turkey in the flock pop up. You can see how they took the flip off of the coolest turkey in the flock and made it the sweetest turkey in the flock. And I can see one being for boys and one being for girls, and I can see that you can see exactly what I'm talking about right there. Happy Thanksgiving. They said that a unicorn themed turkey, right? Sweetest turkey in the flock, sweetest turkey in the flock, the little bow tie on the top of the head, sweetest turkey. And they're kind of making it more directed towards little girls. Okay, So if you're seeing the keywords, yeah, you're looking at the keywords, you see that. Savory turkey, eat a pizza. We're seeing a lot of that. Eat tacos. Funny puns based off of turkey, right? It can work, or Thanksgiving can work really good. But this is a niche right here. I can see it's there's not popping off a ton of sales yet. There's not that many designs with BSRs, but it may be just because it's a newer niche, and I can see it making sales. Sweetest turkey in the flock. Okay, that was one. Let's see what they did. You've seen this illustration throughout this video a few times. But think of that, right? Because the coolest turkey, you can see the coolest turkey is working, and it's making sales. Okay, and I know that there's a few other designs inside of that niche that do really, really well. I know this is an 11 million BSR, but there's a few designs that crush. Okay, but the sweetest turkey in the flock, I can see this doing really well for Thanksgiving. After Halloween, I can see, you know, some of these that are listed up here that don't have no sales making sales. So keep an eye on that. New niche. I think it's going to do really good. So some of the keywords: Thanksgiving dinner, Thanksgiving gift, thankful t-shirt, cute Thanksgiving, happy fall shirt, thankful shirt, turkey shirt, fall shirt, funny Thanksgiving, Thanksgiving outfit, happy Thanksgiving, Thanksgiving tea, Thanksgiving t-shirt. And I can see like girl Thanksgiving shirt, stuff like directed towards girls, little girls, kids. Okay, keep that all in mind when you're making a design for this niche. All right, next niche. I'm the grandma turkey t-shirt. Okay, we have 149 results, and you can see this is the search phrase that it's populating for on Amazon. If we go down, we have a dabbing turkey. We have two dabbing turkey. We have a pilgrim looking turkey. We have a cool turkey with the glasses on, beak and the little, I'm not even sure what that's called. Okay, go down more, grandma turkey. And I feel like if you made the turkey more like grandma, right? Here we go. So I think this is the same one. Copying that one, making it a little bigger. That's what they did. Stop. Don't do that. If you're copying designs, don't stop doing that. That's just, it's like I can go on because I've been doing this for many years. I can go on and on about that, but it's just copying the design pixel for pixel. It's not cool. As you can see right here, 713 BSR. I'm the grandma turkey. You can see the illustrations dressed up as a grandma, dressed up like a girl, right? Like a woman. Okay, that's the vibe that I'm getting right there. Same thing with this one with the pink bandana. This one has a little pink bow. You're seeing that, right? And just something to think about. And then look at, I'm the grandpa. Oh no, I'm the grandma. Yeah, grandma. But I'm thinking grandpa too. For some reason I said grandpa, but I'm thinking grandma too. That would be a good idea. Okay. We're seeing that I'm the grandma turkey. A cool one with the, you know, the polka dot headband thing on for women. Something like that. It seems like you're dressing it up as a girl or a woman, and that turkey is pretty much doing good. And as we go down, you can see that there's not that much competition for it because it's a very underserved niche. So that's a good idea. If you have an idea, that's something that I would do. But think of like grandma, mom, dad. You can scale this out. I can see this being a big family picture, and then you're selling like multiple shirts. Okay. Thanksgiving shirt, funny Thanksgiving, grateful shirt, thankful shirt, Thanksgiving t-shirt, blessed shirt, Thanksgiving tea, cute Thanksgiving, custom shirt, Thanksgiving gift, grandma shirt, turkey shirt. All right, so the next niche is a Thanksgiving with my Nomi's t-shirt. And we're looking at the search results here of 162. Now, as we go down, we're going to see, you know, Amazon choice badge with this one. Thanksgiving with my Nomies. You got 3 gnomes, okay? And they're holding a pumpkin pie, a leaf, and a pumpkin. And if we look at the BSR, 232K BSR. And then we're going to get different, we're looking at different design ideas within over here. You can see this is more of like it's pretty simple graphic, right? With, you know, the tree in the background and then the text, and then you got something over here, right? It's a little bit more detailed, okay? As far as you can see, it's standing out a little bit more. You have more graphic to, let me go pop this up, more of a graphic to like the beards, okay? And then like the hair right here, the outfits, and it stands out more. And this is as far as taking the time to create a more detailed illustration or a graphic for a t-shirt can make all the difference and help you with sales. But, you know, if you have a consistent selling t-shirt over the years, and they can see 110 ratings right here, that can help you as well because you're the first person in the niche, okay? If you're the first person in a niche and you come up with a really good idea and to make sales, and then for the next 2 years, right, it can make sales over and over and over, which we look for when it comes to selling, like just selling with print on demand and using and selling on any platform, right? We try to get that ranking so the algorithm can you know, we can favor the algorithm and win. So this shirt was uploaded. Let's go down. Okay. 2021, July 13th, right? And you can see it's cranking and making sales already. And you can see what they're doing with the pricing. $13.39, $19.91, $13.13. I'm not sure how they got it. Oh, $13.99. Okay. But as you go down, you're going to see that it's consistently making sales, and it's going down and it's trending downward, which when the BSR gets lower, the more sales that this design makes, which is really awesome. And you can see even last year, right? Look at that. So you can see that there was a demand. It's showing the demand for this type of niche. Let's go down, see what else we can find. Okay. Now you're seeing like, okay, we look at all these designs, they're very similar. They're very similar. So when it comes to stuff like this, okay, when you're creating a design like this, they are very similar. So you would have to figure out how you're going to drive your own traffic to the design. Like, that's what I always recommend, is just like, if you find something, okay, a niche, and it's very hard for you to stand out, because the only thing you guys are all creating like a very similar gnome, but they're not the same gnomes. Okay. It comes down to driving your traffic outside of Amazon, or just creating something that's really freaking detailed and to that level, or a design is to that level that customer wants. Because at the end of the day, the market decides if it's a good design or not. Okay, not you as a designer. Yes, I get it. A lot of us are designers, and there's some professional designers out there and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, the customer makes a decision as if it's something that they want to wear, because you're not wearing it, they are. Okay. And some of you may agree and some of you may disagree. It's like a yes and no, right? But that's just how I feel when it comes to selling something to a customer. If they want it, okay, you compare something like this, is like this one right here. This is something that that's what they want, right? And you compare it to something like this over here, thankful for my nomies, and you can see what they did, just switched up the text a little bit, and you know, have a football and stuff like that. What's going on during this holiday, right? Switching it up and making it a little bit different as far as the design, that can make all the difference in a customer wanting something. Okay, so just something to keep in mind. All right, now keywords that are standing out inside of this niche: it's fall, y'all, autumn t-shirt, Thanksgiving t-shirt, PSL t-shirt, pumpkin spice tea, hanging with my gnome t-shirt, pumpkins, sunflower t-shirt, fun fall t-shirt, fun Thanksgiving, autumn gnomes, fun shirt. And obviously the main keyword that we searched for. All right, guys, so the next niche is going to be Team Tiny Turkeys. Okay, this is the keyword search phrase right here, Team Tiny Turkeys t-shirt. As I come down, you're going to see it's like targeting the nurse niche. Okay, you can see that right off just looking at the design, and you can see what other people are doing inside of here. And remember, guys, this is the goal. The goal is to, if you see people doing certain designs that are doing really well, there's a demand for that niche, right? So what else can you do? So it may take a little bit of a brain power for you to understand that. And as by looking at these examples, you can see and get inspiration to see what other people are doing and get an idea and create your own design. Okay. Obviously after Halloween, these are going to start to pick up even more. You can see these BSRs, 2 million, 4 million, 3 million, 4 million. And we go down, savory turkey, eat a pizza. You're seeing the algorithm push out different designs for different sayings, because sometimes people, you know, that's how the Amazon algorithm works. It pushes out a design. Maybe they'll like this design. If they're searching for this, they think it's cute, they'll buy. This one, you can see it's 407. Okay, 407 BSR, and you can see what they're doing here with the different, you know, looking at the different turkeys. Okay, doing some little cute turkeys, right? These ones have their little mask on. These ones have like their pilgrim outfit, different hats. Come down, Team Tiny Turkeys. All right, let's jump into the keywords. Tiny turkeys. Okay, I'm reading them from my computer screen right here. Team Nurse, grateful and blessed, Thanksgiving shirt, thankful shirt, thankful nurse, Thanksgiving gift, nurse turkey shirt. Okay, now pay attention. With certain keywords, the keywords tell you a story too, and give you an idea of what people are searching for in the niche. Okay, so if I'm telling you something, that can be a whole different niche idea too as well, which is really powerful, right? And if you want more niche ideas, check out this video right here. Thank you very much for watching.